here for another tutorial. Today we are going to be doing spoolie curl rollers. I have them in 2 different sizes. I'm jumping into using them. If you guys are joining the challenge and you are in the challenge for the 4-week heat-free challenge, let's say that 10 times fast, then let me know what your experience is like, because I'm gonna be talking about that while I do my curls. Hence, spoolie rollers. Let's jump into the video. So we're gonna part my hair into 4 sections, like I always do. So how is the challenge going for y'all? Because for me, it's a hit or miss, because I'm happy with how my hair is feeling. Yes, I'm deep conditioning once a week because that's a part of it, and I'm not using heat, which is a little like you know, but I feel like my hair feels a lot healthier. Also with the curly styles that I'm doing, because, you know, I'm trying to, you know, just, you know, make my hair look good. The curly styles that I'm doing, people are loving them. Like at work, my coworkers are just like, oh my God, I love your hair. Yes, there are men. There are men who say it. So they probably should be like, oh my God, your hair is so amazing. I just don't start with the big ones, start with the small ones. Let's start with the small ones for the short pieces, the big ones for the long pieces, and let's see how that works. Ooh. This is easy, okay. This is a little too easy. Okay, if my curls turn out good, y'all, this will be the easiest style I've ever done. Alright, so this took me about 30 minutes to put in, to be honest with you. I'm not sure how the curls are gonna turn out, if I'm gonna like them or not. But you know what? It's 11:30 and I didn't use all of it. Like, they gave like full-on extra. It was so easy. It was so easy to put in, and I don't know. They feel comfy. I think it's gonna be nice to sleep on. So let's get ready for bed, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Alright ladies, so this is the next morning, and honestly this was like A1 to sleep on. Like, this was the best sleep I've ever had. Like, so now let's pray together that these curls look good, because I gotta go. I ain't got no time, and they better look good. Once again, I'm using marula oil to separate my curls, and you know, I love it because it's a light oil. I'm so scared, y'all. I'm like afraid. I am petrified.
If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep
These curls are beautiful. This was comfortable to sleep on, easy to take out, easy to put in. Like, this is like a great roller set. Like, I don't even think you could achieve this with a roller set. Like, this is, girl, this is some voodoo, some kind of craziness, because I've never had anything more comfortable than these. So, comfort, 5. Ease of use, 5. This is perfect for a beginner and you just want curls. Like, this is the winner. Amazon, I link it in the description bar. Like, I'm so excited. So let me go fluff this up, separate my curls a little bit because it's a little schoolgirly, and let me come back to you. I'll be back in a sec. This is something else. Do I need to say anything? Incredible. Curls, incredible. I would say the one thing, like, tip-wise that was invaluable is do not do this style with wet hair. Unless you're gonna sit under a hooded blow dryer or a hooded dryer for like hours, don't do it with wet hair. Like, wash your hair, moisturize, seal, and then do it. This is great for relaxers, okay? Great for transition. Is it good for naturals? I'm not sure. I'm gonna be honest with you. Maybe if it's blow dried smooth and with like a setting lotion to get that smoothness when it comes out, it will work. But if you're not willing to do the work to do the work before you start, then I don't know what your results are gonna be. I'm not gonna lie. And the curls, they kind of like curl within themselves, so you have to keep separating. So that's like just a tip, is just all day long I'm probably just gonna keep separating it. Okay, I need to stop. I just like, I want to go somewhere fun. Like, let me out. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope that this was as surprising to you as it was to me. And stay tuned, cause there's a new video coming up in a matter of days, okay? In a matter of days. I told y'all, she ain't stopping. This is a machine, y'all. Bye.